What's up, everybody? I'm Joe Romo, and this is POHBOYS Garage.
What's up, everybody? Nice and dark, but yeah, forgot to make an intro for the RX8 video, but here it is. Shipwreck, take it away.
So got hit while driving in NorCal. In San Francisco at night, I was driving fine, and the person in the lane next to me decided that they thought the lane should go straight instead of turning left. So they turned, well, I was turning left, they kind of went straight into me. And so yeah, the doors kind of misaligned, out of shape. It's bent up pretty good. The side fender's messed up, bent in. It's scraping a little bit, not too bad. So yeah, gonna have to source parts for everything and deal with the insurance, and we'll see how it goes.
Well, that's the gist of it.
Yeah, I mean, we'll make the best out of it for sure.
For sure. Check it out. Keep the journey going. Woohoo!
What's up, Ship?
Getting dinero
Dinero.
to buy more car parts.
Oh my goodness, so we got a good drive ahead of us. Shipwreck got the Robert De Niro. And yeah.
We're going to Paris.
Yeah, we are. California.
Not chocolate blue.
I know.
We'll see how it goes. If it's not a fake.
Oh man, we go down there, it's like a
Miata.
That's a Miata.
I thought it was an RX8.
They look the same. The body kit fooled me. Get you guys updated once we get down there. Woohoo! Alright, we're about almost
Mile away.
mile away, yeah. And there's a big old fire. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can't see it. Big old fire behind us. There's a fire right over there.
Oh, we're gonna get you.
Well, now it's sending us towards the fire.
Yeah,
we should be alright.
we're going in the middle.
Like you said.
So the RX8 caught on fire, and before we can get there, it's just be charred up.
It's still good. It's still good. Rotary life. Okay, I think we made it. We finally made it.
It's at the big old yellow tire.
Little yellow tire. There we go, right there.
Finger points.
Okay, man. Alright, this is crazy looking. Yep, right there. Looks exactly like yours. This is what exactly looks like in the high desert when it just
park
sits.
right by.
Heck yeah. You sell tires and everything here? Oh man. Alright, well
I'll talk to them first.
we're in Little Mexico. Alright, yeah. Man, what a sketchy little place, but yeah. Shipwreck found it. Facebook Marketplace. Check it out right now. Damn, look how dirty this thing is. It's been sitting here for a while, man.
Yeah, that's a good amount of
Heck yeah. Alright, well.
stuff. Yeah, it's the same color, right?
Yeah, I think it is, man.
It's just under dust.
Yeah, I think it's the exact same color.
It took the light.
Alright, so we're gonna pull off this fender. Hopefully the door's unlocked. Nope, door's locked. Maybe they have the key. Alright, oh. Passenger's unlocked. Let's unlock the driver's side. Yeah, clean carpet. Come on, pool boy. There you go, baby.
Well,
Oh,
it was already unlocked.
It just didn't work, huh?
The handles.
Probably. You're gonna have to take out the guts. Let me push it open. Ugh. Ah, it's hot in here. Yeah, it might be the latch is busted.
Alright, well. It can't all be perfect, right?
No. The chingadera, your chingadera up top. It said remind you. Alright, so he needs this too. Woo, look at that. Woo. That works. Oh, wait, hold on. Yep, we got it. Alright, cool. Oh, well, it's really hot. And I think it's hotter because of the fire right now too, I think. Yeah.
There's some gloves right there. That
Okay.
metal's fucking hot.
Okay, cool, man. Well, I'm gonna hop in. I'm gonna take out that little your little glasses thing.
Okay.
I'll pull that out, and then I'll.
Screwdrivers here, everything. We should
Cool,
have
yeah, we got everything. And then we're gonna work on the door, or the fender.
Let's the fender first.
Okay, get the fender, and then yeah, we got a plan, guys.
I think it's still glued. Oh, it's got this.
Oh, okay. I just oh yeah, no screws. There's screws in there. Yeah, there's
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Don't want to fuck it up too much. All right, buddy, how's it coming? Almost got it?
Yeah, I got that clip off.
Okay, cool.
Removing it from this. Hopefully. Oh,
Okay.
nice.
Oh man, thank
There you
God,
go.
dude. I'm
That's the
dripping
door.
sweat. Okay. You got it all? You got it all, huh? All right, we're all good?
It does have a little.
It's all loaded.
Yeah. Some
Eh.
little scratches, but
It's like,
probably less work than they have to fix on other ones.
yeah, exactly.
But hey, OEM paint matching.
That's so good. Time to go?
We are down here.
All right.
Let's get some lunch.
All right, I think Shipwreck got something special in the mail. UPS is here. We'll see what it is in a second. Woohoo! They got bud. Special stuff. Special stuff.
Can you read it? People know?
Do they know? Do
Will
they?
they know?
They will know in a second.
Well, Shipwreck got his body kit in.
It's the same Mazda speed,
Same as the
Style.
one you had already.
but this brand claims with the polyurethane setup, it won't crack, right?
That's what they say, and I heard, and I've seen videos. Oh, this is cool. You got one. Look
Wow.
at that. That's like the bumper and the front or rear bumper for
So
sure.
they said that you just throw them out in the sun for
Get 'em out.
a day or so, and
And
then
it's nice and sunny today. This is 30 minutes. Two instructions. Oh man, that's it. I'll go stick figure, guys.
the guy's like, "What? How am I gonna put this on my car?" I'll fold it off.
I got the rear bumper, front bumper, and side skirts. Everything's laid out. Here we'll come back in a couple hours and spread the cheeks some more. That's cool, man. I can't wait to see it
Yeah,
on the car getting painted.
almost have every part we need. I'm just waiting for some side markers. Got the fender, got the door, got the estimate. So it all depends on the insurance company on what they want to do and how much they value my RX8.
Yeah, I'm like, get it out of here. Rotary.
That's junk.
Chunk.
Here's $1,000.
Yeah, there you go. Buy yourself,
Rotary life.
buy yourself a new car. All right, well, we'll give you guys an update in a little bit. Woo! All right, so we moved it. The sun was right here. Hopefully the footage came out good. What's going on, Ship?
No, it just so nice. Like it's a clean
Yeah,
compared to mine's all cracked
yeah,
up.
it was all cracked, man. Cool, so we're gonna leave it at this for a few more hours till the sun goes down, then we'll put it in the shop and then do it again tomorrow.
Yeah, either way.
Yeah, needs to get done.
Cars
Here's
are
the
out
heat.
in the sun all day anyway. So the body kit will be fine.
All right.
Tonight we're actually going to be taking off the panels, the door, the fender, I think the front bumper too, right?
Yeah, we're
Front
gonna try to
bumper.
fit the body kit and see how tough that is, and at least get the holes drilled so we can probably mount it. I'll leave it to the body shop to do, their thing about it. So save some hours on our own here at the shop.
All right, so after that time lapse of the body kit, check it out. It fully, this stuff's crazy, man. It fully went super smooth. There's no waves. It's super straight. It's pretty cool, man. I'll show you guys.
So like how it was all folded in, up, and like a cinnamon roll, like
Yeah, that's
compact.
crazy, yeah. That was gnarly. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Oh, you can see for yourselves. Try to get angles. I mean, it's a slight wave, but that's pretty crazy. Rubber. This feels like Batman suit, man. This would be the Batmobile.
RX8,
RX8, man.
make an RX8
Oh yeah.
bat suit.
I forgot to show the front bumper. That looks cool, man. Pretty much the same kit. It's a what? What's a Mazda Speed kit or?
It's based off the Mazda Speed.
Okay.
So it's not an original Mazda Speed kit, but
All right.
that's not.
Yeah. So pretty much the reason why Shipwreck bought all the extra pieces to complete the car again is to pretty much save some money.
Yeah, since it got damaged, it wasn't my fault. Their insurance is gonna pay for damages. I kind of estimated how much it would all cost. And I've been wanting to get this thing painted, repainted for a while now. You see on the top, all that clear coat's eroding. My front and rear ends are kind of broken, and it's just, she's not looking the prettiest. So yeah, estimating that out, how much I'd probably get from it, and I was thinking, okay, if I can do a majority of the work, then I can afford to buy the new body kit and just make it more cost effective to make her look
like pay for itself pretty much.
Yeah, so like I said, it was a blessing in disguise getting hit.
Yeah, it sucks, but yeah.
Yeah, it wasn't my fault. It was just, hey, that guy wanted to hit me and give me like $4,000 to fix my car.
There you
cool,
go,
I guess.
Yeah, that's awesome. And yeah, it's like nothing out of your pocket for the body kit.
We sourced the same color fender and same color door. They might be off a little bit, but
I mean, it's getting repainted anyway.
Yeah, like I think all the parts together, about $1,000 for the kit, the door fender, new side lights.
I think we're good on the rim then. We might be good on the rim. I mean, just some damage. A little nick, dude. Yeah, a little nick, and it's like the rubber from the
tire. And they're only like 2 months old.
That sucks, dude. Like, I know. I don't think we ever filmed that. Even Shipwreck bought new rims, like you said, 2 months ago, and
because I hit a rock
with the chromed ones.
Because that body kit is at least like almost 15 years.
Oh yeah, it's been through a lot. Yeah, good little update, upgrade.
Maybe at least 12, I guess.
Yeah. Oh
yeah,
man. And you know, to be honest, it was kind of poorly done from the person we went to.
Right, they didn't even have it lined up right.
No, there's so many gaps, and
the thing was kind of warped, so it never kind of set right. And then one day, like, hey, let's try to adjust it. And I did. And I was like, wow, was it that hard, body shop? Like,
yeah. Oh my gosh. So yeah.
So yeah, we think we're body shop people now, so we're gonna try to do as much as we can.
Let's get this off, man.
I think everything's off. I think the front bumper should pop right off.
We'll see. I think the lenses, hold on, you gotta push it down because the lens is kind of hitting it. There you go. Yeah, you need the lenses or clean them.
Yeah, I'm gonna have that taken care of.
There you go. Oh, look, your chicken wire's coming off.
That's all it's holding.
That was holding it up?
Kind of.
Oh, man.
Because I bolted it together. It's just a little wet.
Is it zip tie?
It's one of those little metal bendies.
Metal bendies? No way.
See, I don't know how they're gonna get. I need to order. I keep forgetting. I need to order a new grill too.
Oh yeah. You don't have anything, huh?
I mean, that's our work. It's kind of shitty.
Yeah, man, those are so good.
I'm like, hey, just reuse them. He's gonna be like, what the fuck?
Get that shit out of here.
Yeah.
All right. Well, that's off. How long have you had this car?
07.
07. Dang. Okay.
17.
Yeah,
She's
we
18 years old. She can vote.
Oh, she's gonna vote for Trump.
Shit. That's what's going on. Still connected.
There you go. Yay.
Oh, look at that.
Years of dirt and dust and
20 years of dirt.
20 years, yeah, man. Dang. There. Alright. Last one's off. Bada bing, bada boom.
Let's see.
There, you got it?
Come on.
Nice.
Door.
Is it still no, not yet? Okay. Something else, alright, man. Well, that's it for this episode. Well, look at this beautiful body kit.
Ready.
She's ready, man.
It'll look new.
Yep, there's the old one. There's the new one. So next episode will be, I guess, when the car is done. Really, the paint, the body kit. Hopefully.
Yeah, there's not much to show on this. It's just me fitting some stuff, but yeah, I think hopefully the next time you see it,
Yeah.
it'll be done.
She'll be beautiful. So if you like this episode, like, comment, subscribe, say what's up, say woohoo, and Shipwreck. We'll see them later, right? Woohoo!
Our hero, our champion, legend Avatar.
Next stop out here at Crestline. Made it. Your car's handling a lot better with that new suspension?
Oh yeah, it feels different.
Yeah? That's awesome, man.
Definitely feel different.
Woo! What a nice quarantine weekend it is. Yeah. No staying home for us. It's nice out here.